This time our task is to dismantle a nearly 100 meters height, and it is a large 100 ton. Our 900 tons are also the most complex. I don't want to use it anymore. Why is that? This time, dismantle. It took almost half a month. Brothers, more than 900 of us continue to go. Open an overnight drive to Shenzhen. And just now, I followed the car and continued to pick up Tucker. What time did you arrive, Brother Tiger? 5 o'clock, driven back alone. Brother Bio has also worked hard. Looks like he should get the bonus again. This time we went to the construction site not far away. I heard it was go dismantle a big tower crane. We started from the parking lot. Take a look at the co-workers. They are all off work. I'll see if I can open it inside. Then pour a little behind that crane. Our crane probably hit at this position. Then the dismantled tower crane is inside. It's a pretty big crane. Let's put the car up today. Then it will be dismantled tomorrow. Then our crane is going to back out. Then pour it in again to adjust the mouth. Please pay attention to pouring. Attention please to the car. This position is too narrow. Pour out. We're still pretty tight on time today. It's already afternoon. I don't know yet. After the crane is pushed in place, do you know what model this tower crane is? The heaviest thing is the slew and the hedge. It's about 23 to 25 tons. The approximate location of the crane has been determined. We're going to mop the subgrade, and these shelves are also needed by Esther. What about waiting time? The staff of the project department, please accept this crane. The venue is finally clear. Now let's take positions. Woke up early today to catch a late episode. Brothers, our 900 tons are hoisted outside. Basically, it is not assembled until after get-off work hours. Looks like we have to work overtime again tonight. Our 900-ton tower mine. I've used it 4 or 5 times. The working condition with the highest feet. How long will the combination take to assemble? Step by step, we deform this 900 tons. Change to final form. After the arm is lifted, on the basis of the road substrate paved for us. And that's the #1 security priority. After the crane is controlled, we assemble the counterweights. Let me report to you first about the total height of the data tower crane is about 80 meters. Crane to the center of the tower crane. And the lifting performance of our cranes. It needs to reach more than 25 tons. So this time dismantle this tower crane. Combined tower mining. We haven't finished installing it yet. But what? It's too long due to the delay in the at night with good lighting conditions. We still can't stop installing. Part of it is installed. Now our next step is to start installing 900 tons ready to unlock the next 4. Today we are going to super gas and valve coil all installed. Then come tomorrow and just pick up the tower mine. Did the brothers find out? This big crane has no super like this 20-ton super. It smells like Transformers. It's not in its final form yet. Here we go. Form. The last step for tonight is to decompress this tower mine. Install it. We're ready to get off work. The next day, we were also early in the morning. Our task today is to put this. All the cards are connected. See if you can lift it. Go to the project department for a meeting first thing in the morning. After the meeting, we will come back to continue the installation. Delayed for more than an hour. Brothers, this time our assembly process is: then pull the super hot wheel on. We just received the A-frame here. He's going to take this shelf down again this morning because you can't cross-operate here. This is the tower crane we're going to dismantle. The construction is completed on their side. We then assemble the tower mine 3-piece set. Brothers, this tower mine 3-piece set. I heard that the standard 900 tons, it takes nearly 300 W to buy after our 3-piece tower mine is installed. Threaded upside down, frame 3-piece set. Now our 3-piece tower mine set has been fully connected, ready to start picking up the tower ahead. Brothers, this moment, when the tower mine, does it feel so amazing at this moment? At this point, I'm even a little skeptical. Our crane, he can reasonably change to this extent, and it's not in its final form yet. Let's take a guess. We are 900 tons this time. How much does it cost per day? There are more than a dozen Karokas. We all need 2 days. How much do you think you need to charge to not lose money? Unknowingly. Now tune this up. Ready to start rolling. 5:30 p.m. And we're now completely ready. Start moving bricks now. Guys, this just got moved. See the beauty in this machine, the wonder. It's worth it to suddenly feel tired. Let's take a look at this collapsed. Oil above ready. When we're ready, we'll start dismantling. Tower crane fired irrelevant personnel emergency transfer. We turned around and waited all morning. Please don't think. They are just for a short period of coolness. There are 2 chicken thighs and shredded potatoes and cabbage down there. They didn't come down to eat. The crane lifts them up to eat. Now let's start dismantling. Then we split the coins. Brothers, how big is this tower crane? The counterweight of this large tower crane is several people high. The last piece of the tower crane's counterweight has been dismantled. It fell as a whole, and there is no field to put it. And one section is not light, it is 7 or 8 tons. A few sections of the forearm are removed. This dutiful son is hard to type. In order to maintain the front and rear balance of the tower crane, we drop the weight of the kidney and the roller. The assembly of this foreign winding machine weighs 20 tons. The time is now. This big coin may not be able to be opened today. It's normal to be slower. Basically, a tower crane is dismantled in one day, because the standard point at the back has more than 10 tons. The last section of the day fell off. We turned around and the worker couldn't talk. Get off work after dark. We have to collect it every day. Just finished pouring the bottom. Plant a bleed. If you know how to hit your feet, just plant a discharger. Spinning line. This wire wheel will not hit the feet. At the back are the heaviest spins and sleeves. It's time for our demolition master's nightmare again. We are for safety reasons, because this gyration is 289 tons. This time we will wait for the dismantling master. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It seems that these dutiful sons are really difficult to beat. It's been hours. I don't know about this today. It seems just right. They finally finished it all. Drop this top half weight. They all weigh nearly 20 tons, brothers. Almost the same height. Hey, brothers. We don't need to open the standard knot. Use the tower crane next to it to dismantle the standard knot. Just use our car to wipe the standard section. So small. Our tower mine words. No matter what project. If that tower crane, then use that tower crane to adjust. Now they tell this crane to turn around. Because of this standard point, one weighs more than 10 tons. The original plan was that we could collect the car today. The tower crane above tried the standard knot. A little dangerous. In that case, 4 or 5 days. And that's not the point, guys. Construction is not allowed here. It's the 8th day today. Their standard rights will be dismantled for several days. It seems that there is a person near here who is attacked by mosquitoes. I don't know this construction site. 8 days on and off, that's a big deal. Not ordinary busy? They also hung us on the construction site. Hang a standard knot first, It is not enough to lift the height directly with the sling. After the standard tune goes out, let me tell you about it here. Key institutions. There were originally 2 oil cylinders on it. Today we have a day. Then 2 more standard knots dropped. But even if you lose 2, it will take about 3 days. It really took about half a month. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. See you next time.